What is up, YouTube family? So today I have an interesting video for you guys. We are going to be installing a Corsa Performance Extreme valve catback exhaust with the double X pipe. Now what you're about to hear right now are some stock revs and some flybys from the stock system. Then we're headed over to PK Auto Design to put this car on the dyno and install the system. But yeah guys, enjoy the clips. Guys, so after 4 dyno pulls, this bone stock car put down a best number of 410 wheel horsepower and 364 pound-feet of torque. Now let's get this car on the lift so the guys here over at PK Auto Design can get to install the system, and then back on the dyno to see if there's any horsepower to be made with this exhaust system. Wow, the system looks amazing. No fitment issues whatsoever. Fits like OEM, and the guys over here at PK Auto Design installed this system in under 30 minutes. Now let's go back on the dyno and see if there's any gains to be made with this system. Additional pulls, and as you guys can see, there is no additional horsepower or wheel torque to be made, and that's all right guys. As an independent tester, I want to bring you the real world data and numbers, and let's talk about it. I don't think this is just from Corsa. I think this will follow along with any other exhaust system or X pipe or double H pipe that you guys will go out there and get. If you guys are solely looking at this products or one of these products for horsepower gains, they are not there, or torque gains, they are not there, so I would say stay away. Now if you want a great sounding car, I 100% recommend this Corsa Extreme catback exhaust. Great quality, great fitment, just overall, and I can't wait for you guys to hear the remote revs and flybys I will provide for you right after this. pricing. This exhaust system was $2,260 and the install was $250. And I am extremely happy with that price. I did save 15% on the exhaust during Labor Day. But yeah, guys, let me know, were you disappointed with this system, or did this system meet your expectations? I know I wasn't disappointed with the dyno results because I did not buy this system for any horsepower or torque gains. I really bought it for a high quality, great sounding, and loud exhaust. Now let's talk about that. I don't think this is a sole Corsa thing. No, I think personally, no matter what you get, H-pipe, X-pipe, it's not going to gain you anything. So if you're doing it for the gains, I would say stay away. Now if you're doing it for great sounding car, go ahead and get you a good system. Let's do some downshifts in 6th gear and see how that sounds in quiet mode. So we're 6th gear. Wow, that is extremely quiet. Now that's amazing that the valves stay closed. I know in some cars, no matter which exhaust mode you have your car in, the valves will open automatically after a certain RPM. So let's go ahead and switch that over to track and do the same 6th gear downshift, but in track. See how the sound difference. While I get up to speed, let's talk about some things. Yeah, guys, leave your comments, and now I would appreciate a like, comment, and subscribe. I am going to be doing some more videos like this one with different parts. The Steeda intakes are 2 videos after this one. But yeah, guys, the next video will be drag tires, drag wheels, and drag springs. So that will be next. We will be installing that, putting the tires on, getting in alignment, and heading down to the track, and then the Steeda intakes will be after that. We are now up to speed, 6th gear. And let's just do the same test with the same downshifts. And let's do a pull. Guys, I think that pretty much closes out the video. Thank you guys for liking, commenting, and subscribing and watching. Stay tuned out for the next videos, and I'll see you out in the road.